All right, good afternoon, folks. Still up at Justin's, still talking about different tools, different things that you might find to be a nice bargain. It's going to be handy now. Organizational stuff for your garage. And I'm going to show you something here for hanging up pry bars or hanging up whatever you want. It's made by JDT Company PB. Let me show you. I'm going to let Justin explain to you, and I'll leave you the links below if you're interested in something like this. Handy as heck, and they're not that expensive. How much would you say this was? I got to guess.
If I had to guess, I think these are maybe 20 bucks. We can go to the. I'm charging my phone right now, or I download. I would pull up the JDT app and look for you. But JDT, Nick and Nick Morello, they're on YouTube. That's the YouTube channel. So go to JDT, check them out. The app is the same thing. Just download the JDT app. A couple of great guys from Jersey, right? And the PB stands for, it's abbreviated for pry bar, because this is a pry bar rack that they had made, special custom made. I have one of their other racks actually attached to the snap-on welding station, and this is for cordless tools. This is one of the first ones that they made, and they had sent this out to me. They sent me this one too. So I'm giving my dad this so he can check it out at his house. We sent Princess Jamie the JDT wrench rack and a couple other things. Hopefully she got them. I think she did. I haven't talked to her in a little bit. Lots of chaos going on. But at any rate, yeah, check them out. JDT on YouTube. Make sure to download the app. I don't think they cost that much, to be honest, but you can check them out yourself, get exact pricing and details, and then tie it into this video towards the end so that way there's more specifics.
It's a nice thick sheet metal. It's powder coated in black. Like he said, this one's for pry bars that he's given me. He's got one for cordless tools. He might even have them, maybe you could tell him, for screwdrivers, pliers, I don't know. But it's worth checking out his website, taking a look at them. You're supporting American business, small business at the same time. Price isn't that much more. I'll drop you the links below. I'll drop you the links on some comparisons off Amazon. But like I said, small business, we all like to try to help those kind of people. If it's only a few dollars more, you might consider supporting his business and doing this. It's damn good quality. I mean, I can tell you that. It's nice, heavy, good. I don't even want to tell you the gauge. I'm not sure, but it's a good heavy-duty product.
So check them out.
Yep, folks. Thank you. Look.
Tell Nick I said hi. Tell other Nick I said hi.
Yeah. Tell Nick I said hi too, even though I don't know who the hell he is, right? But
he will.
Seems like a good guy. Maybe we'll get in touch. Maybe we'll do a collab. You know,
live stream.
All of us.
Live stream, baby.
We'll all get on there. We'll talk about some of this stuff, you know.
On a Friday night.
Yeah.
Just don't know when yet.
Let us know in the comments below if it's something you'd be interested in. If you are, I have Justin, who's got a much bigger channel, that may reach out to him. See about the collab. See about doing, you know, a live stream with all of us on there.
Nick and Nick are always down for a collab on Fridays.
There you go. So look at that. Be part
I
of
just got to get my shit back together.
Yeah, he needs a little bit more time to get settled and set up. If you watch the first of all of these videos, and I put them back to back to back, you know, he's going through some changes. He's got to get things squared away, organized. I've been, you know, due to the pandemic and the variant and everything we're dealing with, I've been incredibly busy at work. I work in healthcare. Justin works in the automotive. Two different situations. We haven't done a lot, but we will be doing it again soon. We can try to pull this together. Drop me a comment. Let me know if it's something you're going to be interested in. Thank you, folks, for watching the video. I hope you have a great weekend. Don't forget to click subscribe to both of us, Justin Dow channel, Home Handyman. Give us a like, drop a comment. Let's get back together. We'll have some fun on Friday nights. You folks have a great weekend. We'll see you again soon.
Cheers and deuces.
Yeah, all that crap. See you, folks. Bye-bye.